Good night, teacher. Good night. Good day, teacher. Good night, classmates. My name is Edgar Ortiz, and today I'm going to share the topic of this week, the parts of the journal articles, and and I'm going to start with that. And we have to remember, we have to recognize which are the parts. It means the title, author or authors, and affiliations, the abstract, introduction, methods or methodology, results and discussions, conclusions, and reference. Well, following with the next part, I'm going to share all the concept of these parts, all right, with example of this case. I choose one journal article that was made in Chile. The title is University Students' Attitudes Toward English Foreign Language, a case from south of Chile. In many cases, use the same language that was the investigation, in this case, the Spanish. We have English and Spanish here. The second part is the author. In this case are two. So we have Eric Gomez Burgos and Soledad Sandoval Molina. Both are from Chile. So the next part, as you can see, is the abstract that first of all could be in Spanish, because as South Americans, or mother language or mother tongue is Spanish, but for journal articles it's important be in English, so you can see in English and Spanish. And another part of the abstract case is the keywords. It means the word in special that we have in this journal article. In this case, the city, the participants, and what is the purpose. In this case, the English as a foreign language. So, following with this one, or the parts, we have the introduction. The introduction is the definition of the problem, or could be, and we have to theoretical support, the objectives, and the design. It means in this case all the how we can use, as you can see. All right, as you can see, we have two parts, or the basis is in two parts, right? So we have the theoretical support, as you can see, considering we see the research report of a group of 131 university students. The next part, as you can see in that, is the methods or the methodology. In the methods or the methodology, we can see materials, methods, and procedures. The materials, what kind of materials we use, it means two is the participants. The participants, in this case, you can see were 131 students from different universities. Yes, and you can see all the classification of the students. And the other one is the data collection instrument. It means in this case, the methodology and procedures. In this case, it was a questionnaire. So, as you can see, the data collection instruments, as I told you, the materials, and the other one is the procedure. The procedure is the development of the research consists in 3 stages in this case. After that, we have the results. In the results, we have to get the data gathered and analyze it. So with this one, we can create, or you can see that the questionnaire in this journal article, you can see all we have to create or then create the results of cognitive domain. So this is the most important part, because with this part, we can create the conclusion. In this case, to an implications. All right. This is the most important thing, because we can see how, or we can relationate where the objectives and the conclusion are after a deep analysis of results. All right, we have here all the conclusions, and we finish with the reference. The reference in our case is all the name of all author or authors cited in text properly. Could be in APA. In this case, is in APA, as you can see. So this is for me, this is the most important thing, because this is all the theoretical support, right? So thank you, teacher. Thank you, classmate. This is my task for this week. Have a great night.